Hi guys, it's Anna, I'm the Crafter Workshop, and welcome back again to my channel. I received my brand ambassador kit here, and I'm gonna go through together with you and show you what I have there. I also have my son here, my Hubert, who's gonna help me to show you all these goodies. So
Hi.
Say hello. There we go. So let's go through and let's open this box to see what beauties we have there. Okay, let's put this, and we can get to our box. There we go. Now,
Is it really that long?
yeah, it is. It's a secure one. Right. Okay, we're here. We're in. Okay. Let's move this paper. Okay, what we have here. Okay, let's
start with things at the top.
right. Hey, this is stunning. Welcome for me. Thank you very much for that, my cool team. Okay, so let's start maybe from this one. This one. Do you mind to hold me this side? Thank you. Okay, what is here? Let me just untangle that. Okay, where are we? There we go. There we go. Look at this. I haven't seen them.
Those are giant.
Oh, look at them. This is a beautiful DIY. It's,
Why don't we see what they
stencil.
say?
It says farmhouse.
Farmhouse.
Cool. Oh, I love this one.
Welcome.
Welcome. We can make a sign to our garden and say welcome. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? That'd be cool, isn't it? Laundry. How?
Laundry self-service.
How good is this?
It's amazing.
Okay. There's a bakery. Wow. Cool, huh? And
Is that parties? Passion. What is it?
No, come on, read it.
Is that a J or is
That's S.
patisserie?
Yay. There we have
Market. Choose happy.
Choose happy. I like this one. Yeah, I like this one.
Is that family?
Family.
That's like the one that we have on our mirror, except it's smaller.
Yeah. Yeah, we can make a nice sign with this family stencil. Make some DIY project. Sounds good.
Gather. Give thanks.
Give thanks. That's for Thanksgiving. That's very common for US. Ain't it?
What's that one?
Oh,
let it snow.
Snow.
For
How
winter.
Cool. That could be a nice Christmas DIY project with that
If it
one.
said let it go, I'd be like, I'm out of here.
Right, can you please hold that for me, because it keeps
Merry Christmas.
closing.
That's the Christmas one.
That's a Christmas one. And let it snow, it's also Christmassy too.
That's probably like autumn or something.
Okay.
Or joy to the
world.
oh.
There we go.
That's like something from a song.
Peace on
Peace
earth.
on earth.
This is a nice one.
Merry and
bright.
That's another
Merry
Christmas
and bright.
one. That's pretty common.
So these are new designs for the DIY project. I believe they called Rustic Collection. So check them out. They're really handy. So here we are.
For things that are big.
Yes. And what we have here, we have a little jars here. Let's see. Let's get into them first. Tacky when dry, gel medium. Sounds very interesting.
And this one is hot foil gel.
Wow. That's a new one. There we go. New mediums by the Crafter Workshop. You have to check them out because they seems to be very interesting. Okay, let's put them on the side. Okay, now what we have here,
stencils.
we have stencils. Mummy's beloved stencils, because Mummy loves stencils, doesn't she? Right, okay, let's see what we have. So let's just pick up the collections by designers. So first, what I will show you is Rebecca's designs. Look at them cuties.
That was really like, that looks something like a clock.
Really interesting. Look at this one. Really,
flowers.
really nice.
Some flowers.
These are like distress flowers.
Yeah. Oh, so I can...
Oh, it's actually called distress lace. Have a look.
Oh. That looks like, they're like waffle shapes.
Yeah. Look at this interesting squarish pattern. You can actually make a 4 squares, or you can go with the
big one.
Big one, yeah, that's it. Look at this one. This remind me of tiles as well.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Whoa.
Newport tiles. See, I was closed. Look at this one. Interesting design. Again, you can also make 4 small squares, or you can go by a big one.
Or by 2 or by 3.
Yeah, very interesting. It's called Spanish tile.
Those are like something similar.
This one, it's kind of like distress circles.
Yeah, with like writing in the background.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, because you can like see writing stuff in the background.
Oh, it's actually called script dots. You were very close with the name, you see. And look at this one, very
leaves.
autumn design.
Look at the
leaves.
Like flowers, that one.
Different leaves. Very nice. Leaf collection. Very good. Very nice. So this is a collection from Rebecca.
Very nice.
Very nice. My son likes them.
I really like the one that like looks like waffles.
Yeah. Like a waffle.
Because I love waffles.
So Rebecca,
thank you,
has 8 gorgeous designs for you this summer. So make sure to check them out, because they're really stunning and very interesting.
Yeah.
Right, do you mind to put them on side? Thank you. Okay, let's pick the next one.
Whoa.
We have...
I love that one.
Art Bar Marlene. Look at them. Stunning laces.
I don't know why, but for some reason those remind me of like the galaxy colours.
Sound cool. Look at this one. It's called Ocean Window. Wow.
Whoa.
Ain't it gorgeous?
That's amazing.
Breathtaking, ain't it?
I know. Ooh, leaves.
Leaves and flowers. Gorgeous.
Ooh, look at that rose.
Absolutely cool, ain't it? Blooming Garden, it's called.
Ooh,
this is
another
lacy flowers. It's called Floral Statement.
Floral Statement.
Really nice. This one, it's kind of like a spider web with a bit of a lace, ain't it?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Coronet wreath.
Nice, isn't it? So we have 4 cool designs by Marlene. Check them out. This is something absolutely beautiful. What you have to have in your stash.
Galaxy colours.
Okay, Melly Helper, put them on side. Nextly, we have Gabrielle's Polacco. Gabrielle's beautiful, very unique designs.
Like a house.
She's hand drawing them. So look at them. This is like a building prospect, isn't it?
Yeah, like the street here, and then the building here with a bit of a road down here.
Yeah, it's very distressed as well. Very interesting one.
What's it called? Blueprint.
Blueprint. Only Gabrielle can make things like this, isn't she? And we've got this
It's like
cool tree. It's like
hanging on to like this ring.
Yeah, interesting. Mystical tree.
That's like magical.
Mystical tree.
Ooh.
And look at this amazing,
flowers.
like a
it's
magnolia
like a flower circle.
tree. Yeah, the
magnolia blossoms.
Really nice. I love this one. And
Ooh.
look at this
Look at
butterflies.
that bird. Is that a
There you go.
phoenix? It's a bit like a
Yeah,
phoenix.
it's reminding that. Yeah, it looks like it. So bird and butterflies. There we go. So this is cool designs from Gabrielle. There we go. Please check them out. They are out today, I believe. This is a new collection from the Crafty Workshop, so you need to
Get
purchase them.
Amazing.
Amazing, you're right, absolutely right.
Ooh,
And
that one's really
the
interesting.
last collection, what we have, it's from Carmen Medlin.
So we have Oil Llama. Llama.
It actually says, save the drama for the llama.
What?
Drama llama, yes. Yeah, there we go.
A
There we
unicorn.
have beautiful unicorns.
What?
And look at
Pumpkins.
this. Pumpkins, yeah.
Is that a scarecrow?
No.
Oh no, it's just a corn. I
There.
thought it was a scarecrow.
Your
with 3 legs.
imagination, wow.
Snowman.
We have a snowman. Look at the snowman. Very cool, very easy winter project with this stencil. You don't need much. You just need a nice bluish, whitish
White.
background. Put a bit of a
Snowman in.
modeling paste or whatever. Maybe white shimmery paste for this wintry effect. And look at this. You've got beautiful.
Or you could use
design.
these.
Yeah, you can try these new ones, yes. We have another interesting design. It's Prayful Angel. Right, next one is flowers, yeah. Jasmine spray. Very interesting, very interesting.
Wait,
Cute, very cute design.
if that was jasmine spray, that must be rose spray.
You may be right. Look at this nice
Roses.
composition. It's
Rose
called Rose
bouquet.
Bouquet.
That was close.
Yeah, we're close. And look at this
Flowers.
another flower
Leaves.
composition. Very, very, very
Called
nice.
Growing Wild.
Really nice. So Carmen's offering 8 new designs for you. So please make sure you will check
purchase
them out because they are absolutely beautiful. Amazing, amazing, amazing. There we go. My helper.
These are big as well.
And we have,
So,
as you know, Crafty Workshop got 2 sizes of stencils available, which they come into 6x6 size, and as well they come in 12x12, which is really nice.
Look
So
at
this
these.
is the same ones what I show you in a smaller version. This one is just in a big one.
Yeah.
So let's just quickly
Those are massive.
flip through them.
They're massive.
They are very interesting designs.
Now there.
No, nothing.
I think you skipped one.
No, I did not.
Oh,
We're
that was the
going
bird. The
through
llama, the unicorn, the snowman, the angel. Whoa, you can actually see it now.
Yeah.
Roses, flowers. Ooh!
Okay, so
Let's have a look at some more.
there we go, my helper. And my wish list. My wish list is
All 6x6.
all those beauties what I always wanted to have in my stash, and my wish come true. Look at this.
That is so cool.
Don't you just love this one?
Valentina.
Valentina, yeah. My great Virginia made me a note that this one is available in this size only, but this is just absolutely cool. I absolutely love, adore this one. And we have a couple of more designs, what I picked, what I really wanted to have. There we go.
That was the only one available.
Look at this cute face. Mini Amelia. I love it. I love it. This is
Oh,
from
such
Marlene.
space.
Madeline.
Flowers. Lights. Ooh, grid pattern.
There we go. There we go. So this is it. This is it. Absolutely cool, amazing.
Make sure you check them out.
Yes, you make sure you check them out. If you have any specific questions, if you want to see any specific video,
Write them down in the comments.
yeah, please write me a comment and I will be happy to have a look and see what I can do. So thank you very much for being here with me and going through it with me with all these absolutely amazing, beautiful designs. What's available for you. So there we go. Thank you, my helper. There we go. So there we go. Yeah.
Upwards.
Put them down side. There we go. Beauty, 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 beauty. Thank you very much, Crafty Workshop. Stunning as always. And congratulations to all of the designers. Absolutely fantastic job. So see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.